Good morning, students. Today we will solve two problems which are based on the maximum power transfer theorem. Let us see. First problem is a generator developed 200 volt and an internal resistance of 100 ohm. Find the power delivered to a load of first 100 ohm, second 300 ohm. Solution, and we are given E is equals to 200 volt, Ri is equals to 100 ohm and RL is equals to 100 ohm. This is the first case. Now load current according to Ohm's law, I will be equal to E upon RL plus Ri, and this will be equal to 200 divided by 200, and we get 1 ampere current. Power delivered to the load, we get it will be equal to I square into RL, so we get 1 square into 100 is equals to 100 watt, and total power generated will be equal to I square into RL plus Ri, and this will be equal to I 1 square. This will be equal to 1 square into 100 plus 100, and we will get 200. Thus, out of 200 watt power developed by the generator, only 100 watt has reached the load, that is efficiency is 50% only. Second case, when RL is equals to 300 ohm, then we get load current will be equal to E upon RL plus Ri, and this will be equal to 200 divided by 300 plus 100, this will be equal to 200 divided by 400, and finally we get 0.5 ampere, and power delivered to the load comes out this will be equal to I square into RL is equals to 0.5 square into 300, and we get power delivered to the load is equals to 75 watt, and total power generated will be equal to I square into RL plus Ri, and this will be equal to 0.5 whole square into 300 plus 100, and we get this will be equal to 100 watt. So we can say that out of 100 watt of power produced by the generator, 75 watt is transferred to the load. That means the efficiency is 75%. Now second problem, for the AC generator shown figure below, find first the value of load so that maximum power is transferred to the load. Second, value of maximum power. This is the circuit diagram we are given, for which we have to find out the value of load so that maximum power is transferred to the load. Now first case, in AC system, maximum power is delivered to the load impedance ZL when load impedance is conjugate of the internal resistance ZI. In AC system, maximum power is delivered to the load impedance ZL when load impedance is conjugate of the internal resistance ZI of the source, and ZI is equals to 100 plus J into 50 ohm. For maximum power transfer, the load impedance should be conjugate of the internal resistance ZI. That is ZL should be 100 minus 50 J ohm, and this is shown in dotted line in figure 2. This is representing the dotted line in figure 2. Load impedance. Now total impedance ZT is equals to ZL plus ZI, and this will be equal to 100 plus 50J plus 100 minus 50J, and we get 200 ohm. And circuit current I is equals to V upon ZT. This will be equal to 50 upon 200, and we get current is equals to 0.25 ampere. Now maximum power transferred to the load is equals to I square into RL, and this will be comes out equal to 6.25 watt.